shoot. Yo. Hold on. I got something crazy, dude. Guess what just happened? Dude, I got it to work. You have no idea how exciting it is to get code to work after you work on it for hours. I finished the first video at like 2 a.m. I took a break, watched a movie, and I came back. It's now like 5:50 a.m. I don't have school tomorrow, so don't worry too much about that. Yo, I was working on the code and I got it to work. Yes, let's go. Here, you guys can see what I did to... well, I'm not going to show you what I did, but you could see the results of finally getting code to work, dude. This is like a high for coders. Like, some people get high off of drugs. I get high off of getting my code to work. Sorry, I'll try to compose myself. Oh man, this is hype. I got my code to work. After much effort. I guess that is the one good thing about coding, is that sure, there's a lot of struggle trying to get it to work when it's not working, but when you do get it to work, it feels so good. So, I wasn't actually planning on recording 2 episodes in one night. I might like stop now or something. I might continue, like do some of it tonight, some of it another night. I don't know. But for now, we can look at some of my work instead of Little Cat's, because I don't think he wants me to show off his stuff that's unfinished. So I'll let him handle that, and we'll go into my thing now. Because the main reason why I was working with Little Cat first is because I know his stuff was working. Because when he synced it to GitHub, it looked complete and ready to go. I just had to fix some stuff on my end. So I don't actually know if I have to modify anything on my side. It doesn't look like I do. I will have to replace some of the textures, but otherwise I think it's fine. Let me do the good old copy paste. Although I don't think I need these files. Ooh, wait a minute. What happened to my Yo, I lost my YouTube links. Oh man, that's unfortunate, because I used to have like a lot of songs in my globals. I made a copy of the file for Little Cat, and I put Mr. Rogers' theme song as the only YouTube link because I know he likes the song. So it's unable to find. Okay, I think I know what I gotta do. When in doubt, copy it out. So let me copy these phase files. I'll put them into Panda. I think it's in the bin. You gotta do it. Pretty sure. Once that's taken care of, hopefully this error will go away, and you can see how it's actually supposed to look when you load up that frame. It's gonna take a little while because it is like what, 500 megabytes, the Toontown files, or at least the models and the resources. Okay, but that's part 1. Part 2 is getting that frame to show up on my end of things. Okay, so that's fine. I'll let that can run in the background. Right. Let's see. I might be quiet for a minute just to figure out where the heck I need to go from here. Because I have settings that, you know, like on-off switches that can say whether I want something to load or not, like the animation frame. Okay, let's see. So, looks like everything's true, except for like a few things. The important stuff is set to true. Like, animation frame is where a lot of the important, helpful software comes into play. Let me go back to copy template. Okay. You know what? Little cat, give me your phone. No, give me your files. There we go. He made it work, so I'm gonna steal. Haha. I'll have to modify it so there's not a bunch of stuff in here like all this. Just basic stuff. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to do my yeah, YouTube_Chris. I think that's good. Dialogue, nothing in dialogue. Honestly, I might just get rid of the dialogue files because we never use them. But at the same time, I'm tempted to keep them because at some point I might want to use it. I'll leave it out. I'll leave it up in the air for now. Remove all this stuff. Since this is the copy template, I don't want anything to be in here. This is basically what I copy when I need a nest of sorry, my brain's frying up. This is what I need when I would like a fresh new file to work with. It's 6 a.m. My English might not be so great. Cue the Frizzy voice clip.
You people really need to learn how to just speak English.
I'm having a lot of fun with these Frizzy voice clips.
Yes.
He's definitely top 3 Toontown YouTubers. He doesn't do it anymore, but he still does make some funny content. I don't have time to watch it, but every now and then I drop by and watch for a few minutes. Okay. Subtitles, dang. This dude is doing some fancy stuff. Never underestimate Little Cat. That man's a pure genius. It's no wonder why he won the Toonie Awards. Does this change anything? Please? Yo, we got it to work. That's great. All I'd had to do was copy. Don't copy tests. You'll end up in a bit of trouble. And there's a really funny video about copying. It like involves Mr. Bean. If you ever see Mr. Bean, he's a really funny guy. So, what do I want to do from here? I think first thing I want to do is get rid of that black frame at the top of the bottom. Load for me real quick, thank you. So yeah, I want to get rid of this black frame, and I can show off my Animation Studio and like different stuff you can do with it. All these features, although half of them aren't added because it takes so much time to add each individual feature. More time than you would believe. So it might be in scenes. Oh yeah, letterbox. That's what it's called. No need for that. Excuse me. So I think that's good to go. Okay. Let me just test this real quick. Okay. Come on. Oh, and when I add stuff to the sequence, there'll be a little slider at the bottom that's sort of like I could show you. Actually, yeah, let me do that. Ooh, so it's not processing. Cool. I could show you that when I add stuff to the sequence. Basically, it's like a little time bar at the bottom, and you could scroll it to fast forward. So let me, I can't show off editor yet because there's nothing to edit on the, what is this called? The scene graph, I think. Here we go. Let's load up some tune. Okay, Mickey. Hello, Mickey. How are you today? Oh, what? Why'd it crash? Bruh. Really? Wait, why is there DNA? Hold on. There should not be any DNA. Wait a minute. I'm not... No, don't import Blueberry. Is there something that I'm importing that I don't want imported? Hold on. Okay, no need for that. Why was there a tree? There shouldn't be a tree. Oh, yeah. I don't want this, I don't want, Silly Street being shown. We can keep the DNA generator. Actually, well, we don't need it right now. I think we have to add some kind of code in here so it doesn't freak out when it tries to do an if statement. So let's try that. Maybe that'll, do a temporary fix. Okay, let's try that again. DNA is a little buggy sometimes. Please. Okay, cool. So yeah, you can add characters, and depending on how you want to move it, you can do it with the keyboard, or you can do it manually with the mouse for more precise movement. Yeah, like that. You could turn him, and if you want a thick Mickey, whoop, and then you could also type. So there's different ways you can manage your actors and props. Do I have an animation list for this? I think I only have it doing the default neutral animation. But there's different options like this. I think it's, yeah, splat. I don't have a lot yet, but I add them as I need them. Nurse Shark, let's go. And you could store them too. You could store it in a spot. Hold on, let me open up globals. Right now there's nothing in there, but if you want to store Nurse Shark, let's make Nurse Shark a little bit on the tall side. Woo, woo. Oh, yo, can you edit in the Jaws theme? Alright, thank you. Let's save this. So I think I have to press enter, then save. And then there we go, yeah. It didn't do it quite right. I might have to modify it a bit, but it's supposed to automatically. Oh, I know why it didn't do it. Hold on. Here, let's try that again. I have to leave it open like this, or else it won't work. It's weird like that. Because I check for where this line is, the actor end, and then I put a line above that, which would end up in here. Okay, so let's try that again, Nurse Shark. Oh, and when you add actors, it'll pop up at the bottom, so that way you can work with stuff that you already added to the scene that you might want to modify further. Okay, let's do this again. And this is all something I made. This is not something you can get with the default Panda. Okay, let's see. And there it is. Right in where it's supposed to be. And I think if you press R, does it work? It does. And it pops up in the exact same spot. It's saved and ready to go for your usage. Let's try a cog. Never mind, cogs aren't ready yet. But yeah, what? Why is it not showing up? Uh-oh. That's not good. That's weird. I'll have to look into that. But now you should be able to place anything you select, so... Maybe that's not a part of the reset yet. Weird. I'll have to look into that. But it should acknowledge the fact that Nurse Shark is here in this list so that way you can use that place, but for some reason it's not. Let's do some props. This isn't a good place. Let's go to... Is 4 a good place? Yeah, let's do a pumpkin. Pumpkin shark. Do you like pumpkin pie? I kind of like it. It's okay. I think I prefer cheesecake. Alright, let's see if this works. Press enter. Save. Does it work? Huh. Oh yeah, it shows up. I guess it's just slightly delayed. Does it add it to the... No, it doesn't. Huh. I guess that's a bug. We'll look into that, but I'm glad it works for the most part. That's just the basics. Yo, it's oh man, I still have to update my list. Let me do that real quick. Does it grab it from must be grabbing it from Little Cat's list. Oh yeah, I know why. Let me modify this real quick so I can right, it's doing the wrong one. Should be doing from my thing. Okay. Perfect. Oh, wait. The pumpkin showed up in actors? That shouldn't be. Does the audio work? No, the audio still doesn't work. I guess we're not quite there yet. Huh. Let me check something. Huh. Oh, that's why. Okay. Does it work now? Good. Yeah, it does. Are there any good songs? Let's see. I think this is a nice track. What? What do you mean it's not available? Is there any other good... Oh, there's, all these songs are good, or else I wouldn't have put them on. Is this one available? I gotta reset this. I gotta find new versions of this. Are they all gone? Come on. Alright. I guess they removed the Xenoblade Chronicle ones. Any chill things in Xenoblade Chronicles 2? Yeah, let's try this. YouTube. Come on, man. Bruh. Oh, this is a good one. Should still be up, yeah. It was a little loud, but yeah. Man, this reminds me of the good old DDR days. Have you ever done DDR? It's a real blast. I think the last time I did it was back during Replay Effects. That was a lot of fun. There was these two guys that were going ham on the pad. They were like, duh, going like, what's the hardest mode in DDR? I don't know, but they were doing that, and they were like going almost perfect. That'd be cool if I could do something like that, but nah, I would need a lot of practice. Okay, but yeah. I'm still upset about these videos that they're taken down. That's really for tragic decision. Please? Oh man. I need let's play more of the chill music. That's nice. I think we're about halfway when I finished off, so we can start from there. Okay, so this is looking good. Let's try to something I have in mind is, let's see if we can get that one animation of mine working. It's about a robber baron. It's a really good tale. It really speaks for itself if I can get it up and running. So that'll be the I think that'll be a good place for it to stop for tonight, and then next time I can start working on repairing the robber baron animation and just showing off a bit of that. I think that, yeah, that's good. So again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.